So I am about to start the soldering process. I'm going to be replacing the three lipo batteries in those three vectors. I got them all ready to go in right there. And then I'm going to be replacing these three screens, and I'm going to do these micro soldering connections here with these ribbon cables. So I've got my soldering iron heating up. I do have a heat gun, or hot air gun, rework gun, whatever you want to call them. I don't even know what the heck you call these stupid things. And I actually do these repairs all with my soldering iron. I will probably pull out my microscope and make sure that I'm getting good connections and that I don't have any imperfections when I go to solder these small joints. But just to start off, I'm going to get started right over here with replacing these batteries. So we'll get right into it. These are some pretty easy connections. So I'm basically just gonna expose that. Ooh. And all right, there's one battery removed. Throw a little more solder on the tip of my soldering iron. There's two. And this is a big puffy one that I really wanted to get replaced. Alright. All three battery packs removed. Look at this thing. It's big and puffy. I think I'm gonna go bring this outside. I don't want to fire in the house. Alright, I'm back. So I just threw that lipo battery outside because it was just too dangerous to have around. So I've got these original full river lipo batteries that I'm replacing. They're 320 milliamp batteries. Throw these to the side for right now. And they're getting replaced with these. These are 610 milliamp batteries. They're just about the same size, but they have double-ish, a little less than double the capacity. So I'm actually going to throw some new solder in those locations where the battery was connected, just to get some new solder in those places. Make sure I'm getting good connections. And time for the new batteries. So we've got positive to positive. Bloop. And negative to negative. Positive to positive. Negative to negative. There's two. Time for the third. All right. Let's take a look. All three batteries connected. All three batteries replaced. Boom. Now I'm going to throw a little bit of double-sided tape so I can slide that back in place and it won't jiggle around.